Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I've got something super exciting to share with you, a brand new product. Now, hold up a second, before we dive in, I want you to do me a solid favor. Check out the full review I've put together for you.
If you purchase this product through my link, you will get instant access to the exclusive bonus package below at absolutely no extra cost to you. These bonuses are specifically curated to support you across every area of your online business, from high-converting video creation and automated content strategies to massive traffic generation and sales optimization. Let's take a look at a few of them right now. Smart Personalizer Engine. This engagement and conversion-boosting software allows you to create unlimited personalized landing pages for your social advertisement and email campaigns without having to build entirely new landing pages from scratch. Instant WordPress Site Sync. Leverage this high-utility software to bulk copy and update posts, pages, and custom content from one WordPress site to another in record time. Live Inline Content Studio. This super utility software allows you to make as many pages or posts as you want. Illimitable, giving you a distraction-free, reloadless, and instantaneous text editing experience. Interactive Content Flipper. This simple and high-utility tool helps generate higher visibility for your website content while making reading a much more engaging experience for your audience. Automated Page Recovery System. This software helps you generate a backup of your current era pages, save it safely, and restore or display it easily inside a clean interface so you never lose your setups. Autopilot Site Optimizer. This complete site cleanup tool allows you to exhaustively optimize performance and remove unnecessary data on a set-and-forget mode. Next-Gen Web Shield Security. This software acts as a shield for your website, automatically blocking hackers, cyber attacks, and security threats. Stealth Traffic Command Bar. This clever marketing tool helps you send boatloads of targeted clicks anywhere you want by driving traffic using subtle pike-in, furtive announcement bars. Smart Interactive FAC Builder. Create powerful FACs on your website with minimal effort. There is no need to write any code, and you can isolate style your FACs so they look incredible on any page. YouTube to Blog Traffic Engine. Attract a ton of new organic traffic to your blog by leveraging YouTube videos to power your automated content and marketing growth strategy. Omnichannel Messenger Suite. Engage and talk one-on-one with all your visitors using this powerful software that lets you chat directly with customers on WhatsApp and other popular messaging platforms. Viral Content Growth System. Get way more visitors to your site using our traffic-boosting rewards system made just for content creators. Mobile-optimized email architect. Create beautiful slim text columns for the emails you send out so they look amazing on mobile screens. Converting raw text into clean column widths with a single click. Smart Email Deliverability Shield. Spam filters often block emails for using common marketing words. This software makes tiny text adjustments that fool automated filters while staying 100% readable to your audience. Universal Lead Capture Studio. Build a subscriber list easily by creating opt-in forms. You can embed anywhere on the web. Once captured, you can export your leads and take your list anywhere you want. Self-hosted mail infrastructure. This web-based mail client lets you send marketing emails directly from your web host, using your own server or any custom SMTP service you choose. Rapid Content Indexer. This fast and easy tool instantly alerts search engines, like Google, whenever you publish something new so your site gets indexed faster. Multi-channel social syndicator. This high-functionality software allows you to auto-syndicate posts and comments across multiple social groups and pages at the exact same time. Automated social content curation engine. Auto-publish trending social content to your blog for higher engagement and faster Google indexing. Viral interactive quiz builder. Create engaging, viral-style interactive quizzes directly on your site to capture lead emails and generate viral social shares with total ease. Social proof engine. Show real-time sales and purchase counts on your site to build buyer trust using social proof. Visual reaction rating matrix. Boost reader engagement by adding interactive emoji ratings to your blog posts and site content. Pinterest monetization accelerator. Built for Pinterest marketers, this tool quickly turns your pin followers and readers into paying customers. Automated lead capture intelligence. Install this light tool on your server to instantly capture leads whenever someone fills out your ad forms. Custom profile engagement pop-ups. Turn casual site visitors into loyal followers. This plugin displays a sleek pop-up of your social media profiles whenever someone browses your site. Urgency and scarcity conversion suite. Create high-converting call-to-action bars that use real urgency to skyrocket your conversion rates by up to 350%. E-commerce, intelligence, and market analytics. Run powerful searches across major e-commerce platforms to pull deep analytical data and uncover high-margin store items. High-margin niche finder. Discover secret high-value products that dominate multiple niches, giving your business maximum profit with minimal competition. Buyer intent review analyzer. Read between the lines of your competitors' reviews. Discover exactly what buyers are asking for and complaining about, then build an offer they can't resist. Marketplace Search Intelligence Suite. Find winning products in any niche. Track what's selling, analyze prices, and catch rising trends before your competitors do. Hidden Revenue Keyword Finder. Uncover hidden high-demand products across top niches to max out revenue with minimal competition. Targeted SEO Keyword Harvester. This fast, easy tool helps you uncover ultra-targeted keywords so your content campaigns rank higher and drive real SEO results. Automated Content Tagging Engine. This simple tool automatically adds relevant site tags to your posts the moment it detects your chosen keywords. Traffic Redirect Manager. Take full control of your site traffic. Quickly set up automatic redirects to migrate pages, update directory structures, or send visitors anywhere you want. Automated SEO Discussion Generator. Push your articles to the top of search results. Automatically build keyword-packed comment sections that grow your site's footprint and drive higher rankings. Niche Discovery Engine. Unlock secret markets before your competitors do. Tap into high-traffic, low-competition niches and claim the top search rankings and revenue for yourself. Video Search Intelligence Harvester. Never run out of video topics. Source thousands of targeted long-tail video keywords in minutes with both broad and deep search modes. YouTube Metadata Tag Inspector. Stop guessing what works. Instantly uncover the exact tags used by top channels and leverage their research to skyrocket your own video reach. Real-time Video Rank Tracker. Find the best video tags for any niche while tracking video ranks and audience trends with this powerful software. Seamless Video Stitcher. Editing made easy. Effortlessly combine multiple clips into a polished, seamless video with simple, step-by-step tools. Smart Frame Video Duplicator. Upload videos penalty-free by auto-replacing frames to make every upload look brand new to algorithms. Video Ad Campaign Inspector, the ultimate software resource to find effective keywords for your video marketing and pay-per-click ad campaigns. ONE Platform Video Resizer. Stop re-editing videos from scratch. Instantly scale any clip to the perfect aspect ratio for TikTok, Reels, Shorts, and more to skyrocket your reach. Stunning Infographics Generator. Imagine typing in a single keyword, niche, or topic, and instantly generating 30 ready-to-use, breathtaking infographics based on literally any idea you can come up with. That is exactly what you are getting with the Stunning Infographics Generator. With just a couple of clicks, you can instantly pump out viral-style niche infographics that people love to share. High-converting infographic ads designed to sell your offers, and scroll-stopping social posts to keep your feeds active every single day. You can also create promotional graphics for affiliate products that actually get clicks, as well as value-packed visual assets for your ebooks, coaching, SEO courses, and lead magnets. Plus, you get attention-grabbing graphics tailored specifically for Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, your blog, and beyond. Now, here is the absolute best part. These are not your typical boring graphics. These visuals are custom engineered to stop people dead in their tracks while they are scrolling. We are talking clean, modern layouts, bold, readable text, high-contrast colors, and save-worthy visuals built specifically to hijack attention and drive engagement. And the real beauty of this tool? Zero complex image editing required. Zero embarrassing spelling errors to fix. Zero tedious writing from scratch. And zero brain-draining guesswork. Literally, all you have to do is open the stunning infographics generator, feed it your topic, and let the AI handle 100% of the heavy lifting. It is fast, it is effortless, and it is included as part of this bonus package when you lock in your access today. Vibrant Infographic Ads Creator. If you have ever wanted to turn a long, boring sales page into a visual ad that actually gets clicks, this tool is going to blow you away. The Vibrant Infographic Ads Creator generates offer-specific infographics directly from your sales pages. You literally just paste in the sales page or landing page URL of whatever you are promoting, whether that is affiliate offers, courses, coaching, ebooks, lead magnets, SaaS products, school groups, Amazon items, or products on platforms like Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and ClickBank. And once again, the setup is almost laughably simple. Here is all you do. Step 1. Enter your offer title. Step 2. Choose either a light or dark infographic background. Optionally, you can add a customized footer call to action, like link in comments, visit my website.com, DM me the word info, or your social media handle. That is basically it. Vibrant Infographic Ads Creator then instantly generates 20 different infographic ad styles designed specifically for promoting offers. You get styles like offer snapshots, value stacks, transformation paths, feature to benefit graphics, and so much more. All you do is choose your style, let AI process your sales page copy or offer description, and watch it build the finished infographic for you based entirely on that offer. It effortlessly turns boring sales copy into attention-grabbing, high-converting social media ads that stop the scroll instantly. The next bonuses I will introduce to you are all about handy tools to grow an online agency business. First, we have Consulting Agency Pitch Deck and Rate Sheet. If you want to pitch your AI automation and coaching services to corporate clients with total confidence, this is your secret weapon. It gives you a high-performance, fully customizable presentation framework that lets you cleanly outline your pricing tiers and define your exact AI bot services. It is the ultimate tool to turn cold prospects into high-paying agency clients. Next up, we have the Premium Client Coaching Workbook, complete with agency resell rights. This gives you a beautifully crafted, highly practical workbook to hand directly to your clients. It serves as the ideal companion tool, helping your clients step by step as they actionably implement the strategies from your consulting, their internal teams, or the custom AI bots you deploy for them. Moreover, you get full access to the unlimited AI graphics suite for agencies. You get access to a powerful commercial-grade AI image generator built specifically to handle high-volume visual creation with zero restrictions. Whether you need eye-catching visual assets for your own brand or high-impact marketing graphics for your clients, this tool lets you produce stunning visuals instantly. Additionally, we are featuring the Automated AI Article Writer, complete with a full agency license. This tool lets you streamline your content marketing and scale your SEO efforts with an advanced AI writing assistant built to rank on search engines. You can generate search-friendly, natural-sounding blog posts at scale for your own sites or client projects, driving massive passive traffic while staying completely undetected by search algorithms. Moving forward, you will also unlock the high-converting local landing page builder. This toolkit allows you to deploy optimized, easily customizable landing pages built specifically for local lead generation. You can effortlessly build lead capture funnels that gather emails and appointments for local small businesses, with the perfect layouts ready to embed your custom AI bots for maximum engagement. Another fantastic addition is the Professional Agency Portfolio Creator. This is the premier solution for displaying your freelance work or agency services in a sleek, high-end format. It replaces complex web setups with clean, striking portfolio galleries, helping you showcase your capabilities professionally so you can build instant trust and close new clients significantly faster. On top of that, we have the Smart Appointment Scheduler tool with full commercial access. This lets you integrate a seamless, fully featured booking system directly onto any website to automate client scheduling effortlessly. It is simple to configure, ultra user-friendly, and removes all friction from the booking process for your agency and your clients. Conversions Booster Pro with extended developer rights. This lead generation toolkit is engineered to skyrocket your conversions and capture visitor attention right before they leave your page. Without writing a single line of code, you can instantly launch custom exit intent pop-ups, scroll-triggered overlays, and timed capture forms for your own business or your clients. 50,000 plus AI Mega Prompt Bundle for ChatGPT, Midjourney, or any AI. This is a complete library of battle-tested AI prompts engineered to generate viral content, stunning visuals, and passive income streams in seconds rather than hours. Inside this mega bundle, you get over 21,000 AI art and image prompts for Midjourney, DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, and Leonardo AI. You can effortlessly create product mock-ups, logos, scroll-stopping social graphics, and realistic photos to build a portfolio or sell print-on-demand products on Etsy and Redbubble without hiring expensive designers. You also get over 1,000 advanced AI mastery prompts featuring carefully structured frameworks for ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Grok, and DeepSeek. These do the heavy lifting to deliver expert-level outputs and automate your daily repetitive tasks. On top of that, you unlock over 3,000 video generation prompts for Sora, Runway, and Pika to produce short-form videos, animated explainers, B-roll, and storyboards for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, without any costly camera gear. You will also receive over 7,500 social media content prompts packed with viral hooks, story frameworks, carousel structures, video scripts, and content calendars to grow your following on autopilot. Additionally, you get over 6,000 Etsy and e-commerce prompts tailored for Shopify, Amazon, and online stores to generate product descriptions, SEO listings, marketing copy, and customer support responses that convert browsers into buyers. And to top it all off, you get over 10,000 ChatGPT prompts covering business strategy, email sequences, sales pages, course outlines, and complex problem solving to build your entire business infrastructure effortlessly. It works seamlessly with virtually any AI tool on the market, and it is included as part of this exclusive bonus collection today.
As a big thank you to all my valued viewers, and especially to those who choose to grab this product through my website or this video, I've lined up a treasure trove of mind-blowing bonuses. Trust me, they're totally worth it. They will help with your online marketing career. You'll find all the details at the end of the product review article on my website. Just follow that link in the description and prepare to be amazed. And hey, if you want those exclusive bonuses to be yours, send me a message to bonusesfromme@gmail.com. I promise to deliver them within a lightning-fast 24 hours.